What's up, YouTube? I wanted to tap in, guys. Wishing you guys a happy 4th. Hopefully you enjoy some family, some food. But listen, man, you already know, guys, money never sleeps around here, so neither do we. I am excited to get back in the stock market on tomorrow. If you are, please let me know down in the comments below. While you're at it, please make sure you like and subscribe, as well as make sure this video get at least 1,000 likes, okay? In today's video, guys, I'm going to cover an update on SoFi Stock and make sure that we are locked, loaded, and ready to go for today. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, guys, check it out. This article says up 85% year to date. Is SoFi Technologies still a buy? Listen, man, I wanted to go over this with you guys because you know around here, this is the stock that we have doubled our money in, but I'm trying to take you guys on a rinse and repeat mission, okay? And so, for example, technically, I've been saying to get this under $8 and make sure that you rebuild your position back out or get into it for the first time if you didn't have this with us prior, okay? So that you can go on the journey as this will double, for example, okay? Give yourself about a 1 to 3 year time horizon. It could always happen sooner than that, but I want you guys to get in the habit and in the mindset of demonstrating patience, understanding this game is a marathon. Check this out. Shares of SoFi Technologies has risen about 85% year to date in 2023, easily outperforming the S&P 500. Remember, guys, on average, the S&P 500, the reason why we investors put our money in the stock market is because you will get at least around an 8 to 10% return on average. SoFi is up 85% year to date, but check this out. Currently valued at a market cap of 7.85 billion. Shares of the financial services company are still down 66% from all-time highs, okay? SoFi is a technology-based financial services company offering personal loans, home loans, student loans, and credit cards. It also provides technology products and solutions. I want to make sure you guys know what you're investing in and why we're high on this, why the student loan forgiveness example played a role into why this may potentially go even higher, okay, among other things. It also provides technology products and solutions. In 2022, it became a bank holding company through a merger and began operating SoFi Bank, offering checking and savings account, okay? So a lot of people, in addition to Bank of America, Chase, things like that, they are starting to make sure they put some money into banks like SoFi. They're a little more technically advanced than some of your older traditional banks. Despite weak macroeconomic environment, the continued extension of pause on student loan refinancing by the Biden administration last year, SoFi continued to deliver solid financial performances led by member and product growth and cross-selling opportunities, okay? And this is what I've been focusing on, okay? I've been telling you, I'm only going to present to you guys quality companies that are well ran, that are heading in the right direction. And so, guys, ever since this has been down at $5, $6, $7, this has been one that should have been on your watch list for a variety of reasons. One being that they are well ran despite the pandemic, well ran despite the run on banks, okay? They are still keeping their head above water and still going in the right direction, okay? So those are just some updates that I want to put on you guys as it relates to SoFi, because this particular week, if it is in our buy zone, okay, it may be an opportunity to go shopping as you guys get your first 125 shares en route to your first 1,000 shares, okay? As a reminder though, guys, do not forget to always have some quality dividend ETFs in your portfolio. One that I love, one that I continue to build out is SCHD, okay? Right now it's currently sitting at $73.02. I primarily like to talk and focus on this one when it's at $70 or below. A matter of fact, I encourage you guys to build out your position when this particular ETF is at $70 or below. Why? Because you'll see these kind of run-ups here, for example, up nearly 3%, and most of you should be up 3% at least if you have been buying shares of this at the levels we discussed. There's a reason I teach you guys to buy low, because if you guys master where your entry at, where you should be buying stocks at, you will see when you're on the right side of a trade, whether it's investing and or trading options, it just makes the world a lot better. Okay, you'll see your plays up. You'll see yourself either a break even, or you'll see yourself up 2%, 5%, 12%, so on and so forth, because your entry was spot on. Okay, another one, guys, I want you guys to be on the lookout for as you hedge against your portfolio is the SQQQ. Okay, this is one way to make sure that when the market is going down, I don't want you guys buying stocks at all-time highs. For example, I don't buy stocks at all-time highs. What I do, however, is when stocks are low, I load up. That's how I'm able to dominate the market consistently, okay? However, when markets are at all-time highs or at new 52-week highs, I then look for the inverse. So if the market is at a high, this is at a 52-week low, okay? And so I like to get this down and around the dumps, the bottoms, when it's through the mud, okay? And I like to build this out because at some point, and none of us can time the market, so none of us know when, you just must do the work, okay? I like to get this. I'll continue to accumulate this at $17, $16, and at $15, hopefully, okay? And I'm going to encourage you guys to do the same just to protect your other long-term high quality stocks you should hold, okay? And so again, guys, SQQQ is a way to definitely play the inverse of the market. Inverse means the market is up, this is down. So when the market goes down, this will go up. Do not miss that lesson, guys, because I've been doing this a long time. I've seen you guys, I've helped you guys make a lot of money, but a lot of times we don't do the best job at protecting the money we make because we don't either use our stop loss consistently or properly. We don't hedge against our portfolios. All these things can play a role in you preserving your wealth. And last but not least, guys, to close it out, SoFi sitting here at $8.51. The ticker symbol on this one is SOFI. Again, I would love to see you guys try to build out as best as you can this particular company. If you have a 1 to 3 year time horizon, if this goes $8 or below, that is the ideal level, like $7.70, $7.80. Okay, things of that nature, $6, $5. Those are the ranges in which you want to accumulate your 1,000 shares. Okay, but en route to 1,000, you want to try to get 125 shares on the lower range, anticipating this is going to be sitting up at $10, $12, $15 on the journey. Okay, and the more you can accumulate at the right levels, okay, the better your return will be when these things begin to sit and maintain themselves at the level they're ultimately going to be due to continued growth, due to continued earnings, due to continue running the company the right way, and other tailwinds that may provide a boost to the company, okay? With that being said, guys, I want to just make sure that you guys understand across the board, the market is a game that you must show up to each and every day, okay? So do me a favor, bring your A game. If you haven't already, make sure you join the Discord. Link for that is in the description below. Listen, guys, first thing in the morning, we will be getting back into it. We had a shortened week with a half day on Monday, no market open on Tuesday. So guys, we got Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to do our thing. And I want you guys to, again, be ready to take advantage of opportunities that may present themselves, okay? We got a chance to do a great thing, even in a shortened week, okay? But next week, we'll be back on our regularly scheduled programming in terms of having the full entire week. We'll get back to doing our weekly options, and the money team will be back in effect. But this week, none of that is in at play, okay? I don't want to put anybody at risk of getting rug pulled on a would be manipulated week in the market. So next week, be ready. But we got 3 days this week to look for some opportunities, some high quality and high probability setups. If you don't see it, you sit down, okay? When in doubt, sit it out. Do not chase, do not FOMO, do not have the fear of missing out. Again, if you miss one, you catch the next one. It's just that simple. And if there's nothing to play, you put your feet up, all right? Listen, guys, we'll be back at it first thing in the morning, so please get in the Discord. I look forward to seeing you guys, hearing from you guys, and most importantly, seeing you guys make some money and win, not only at life, but in the market as well. Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.